February 17th marks an important moment for Canada. With the release of Canada's Defence Industrial Strategy, our country has made something clear. Sovereign capability must be built here at home. It must be operational and it must be scalable. The strategy formalizes a build, partner, buy framework and identifies uncrewed and autonomous systems as a sovereign capability priority. That matters. Modern defense requires real infrastructure, real teams, and proven operating experience, especially in Canada's north. At Volatus Aerospace, we've spent the past several years building that foundation. We operate today at commercial scale in regulated airspace across Canada and internationally. We've invested in industrial expansion in Mirabel, Quebec. We've supported Government of Canada and NATO-aligned stakeholders. And we've built remote operations infrastructure for mission-critical environments. We are not conceptual, we are operational. We have the team, the approvals, and the capital platform in place. Canada has set a direction. Volatus is ready to build within it.